Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your Xbox turning on or off your TV. Now, this is very easy to do. We want to go to the home screen and then go to Settings. Then go to General and then go to TV and Display Options right here. Then go to Device Control. And you probably have HDMI-CEC checkmarked and enabled. Then go to the right and read some of these options like console turns on other devices. So if you turn on your Xbox, your TV is going to turn on. Then the option underneath it is console turns off other devices. You turn off your Xbox, well, your TV's also going to go ahead and turn off. So you may unexpectedly be turning off a device when you're using this feature. So read through some of these and then uncheck mark the ones you want. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.